Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Isle of Calm by GHP Group located in Powai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project at the main entrance of the project, and you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And now I will take you and show you the sales office and the actual site of the project. And now we are standing inside the sales office of the project, from where you can also have a look at the actual land parcel. You can see the construction is in full swing. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel in 3 acres that has total of 3 towers. As you can see in the model, it will have 4 basements plus ground plus 25 floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located to opposite IIM Powai, from where Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 20 minutes, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 20 minutes, upcoming metro is at a distance of 10 minutes, JBLR is at a distance of 12 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital, all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 25 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, badminton court, garden, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences, 1 BHK in the carpet area of 505 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 717 to 731 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. Speaking of booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site, and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Isle of Calm by GHP Group located in Powai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.